In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a border in Pixlr E in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to give your image a clean, finished look, whether you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, banners, or just want to make your design stand out a little more. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr E and load the image you want to edit. Once your image is open, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and make sure you click on your main image layer. This is important because you want the border effect to apply to the correct layer. If you don't select the right layer, the effect may not show up the way you want. After selecting the image layer, go up to the top menu bar and click on Filter. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose Outer/Inner Glow. Even though it may sound like a glow effect, this tool is actually a really useful way to create a border around your image. Once the Settings panel opens, you'll see several options you can adjust. The first thing you want to do is set the feather slider to 0. This makes the edge sharp instead of soft or blurred, which is exactly what you want for a border. Next, adjust the size slider to control how thick your border will be. If you want a thin outline, keep it smaller. If you want a bold, noticeable border, increase the size until it looks right for your design. Then click the color box and choose the border color you want. You can go with black for a strong contrast, white for a clean outline, or any custom color that matches your project. Take a moment to preview how it looks before applying it, so you can make sure the border complements the image instead of distracting from it. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply. Pixlr will then add the border effect to your image, and you'll immediately see the result on your canvas. If you want, you can always go back and adjust the effect again until it looks perfect. And that's it. You've now made a border in Pixlr E. It's a simple technique, but it can make a big difference in how polished your graphics look. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.